As the black horses grazed peacefully, a bold leader emerged. Spotting an alligator on the road, the brave black horse charged fearlessly. A sudden bite on its front leg, but with a swift, powerful move, it escaped, flicking the alligator into the air with its right front leg. A curious German shepherd discovers an eel on the path. Intrigued, it attempts to pick it up only to realize it's an electric eel, packing a shocking 600 volts. Ouch! Lesson learned in electrifying curiosity. At the zoo, a black bear showcases unexpected skills swinging nunchucks with finesse. He issues a warning to visitors: stay away, or face the consequences of his bear-like impressive kung fu techniques. Here's a cute cat that learned a trick, walking on his front legs, so he could be fed safely at home. Lurking outside was his untalented brother left to feed on the wild birds. Little did he know that the catbirds might gang up, making him the lunch for today. Little cat is out of here. Big cat in a tree. Let's just monkey around in the tree. I am ready to forget about cats with nothing to do but try to eat smaller creatures. The monkey survived. Watch as this guy casually strolls into a pool teeming with gators at the zoo. With nerves of steel, he calmly walks through the water. Do these gators have their mouths tied? Dust swirls as two bulls engage in a fierce battle on the dirt road. The intensity peaks, and suddenly, one bull flips over in a dramatic twist of the wild showdown. As the tree falls, a curious rustling above catches the eye. From the treetop, a little animal drops from the tree. What was it? In the ocean, a duck's tranquility shatters as a colossal shark strikes. A suspenseful dance of survival unfolds. Miraculously, the duck breaks free, defying the odds in a watery spectacle that unveils the drama of life beneath the surface. The fox narrowly escapes the clutches of an eagle's talons. Join the ranks of the fortunate as this small animal lucky streak continues. Was that an eagle or hawk? As she boards her yacht, the playful dolphin made her day, with its own unique method of offering assistance. This proves marine life can have a great sense of humor. The first rule of Fight Club is we don't talk about it. Watch these spirited baboons engage in a comical clash, showcasing their lively antics. We will not talk about it. Join the fun as bears take on grown men in a playful spectacle. It's a wild mix of fur, laughter, and good-natured chaos. Who do you think will win? I take the bear every time. I think that is the rule. Unless there is a shark in the mix. Proven fact, the bear is always the Fight Club winner. This fearless feline defies the odds, hopping into visitors' carts. Are they safe? Or is this a personal adventure they didn't sign up for? Join the ride and witness the unexpected charm of a daring cat amidst the wild safari. The keeper fearlessly head bobs in front of massive jaws, rides on its back, and even playfully rolls the gator in the water. Is he brave or just a little bit crazy? In a jaw-dropping moment, a massive crocodile and its keeper showcase an extraordinary friendship. This clever dog throws a bone to lure a fellow pup off the sofa, strategically claiming the coveted seat. A cunning ass lures the barking dog as it nears the electric fence, then the donkey erupts into a laughter as the shocked dog retreats in pain. Nature's surprise attack. A hawk, channeling its inner strategist, picks up a snake and tosses it near a family having a barbecue by its nest. Check out this squid changing colors to hide based upon its environment change. Pretty cool. Feline mischief alert. A gang of cats joins forces, sneaking into a car for a joyous adventure. Watch as these whiskered buddies turn a simple car into their playground, showcasing the delightful chaos of their united feline frolic. Dive into the whimsical world of fish parenting. Meet the cichlids, the underwater superheroes who keep their fries safe in a game of aquatic hide and seek. It's fantastic family fun. I have heard of people with these in their fish tanks at home. Meet the feathered pickpocket extraordinaire. This skilled bird turns petty theft into an art, picking the pocket of a traveling cyclist with finesse. Watch the antics of this avian accomplice in action. This elephant is petitioning Manchester United. He claims to identify as a human soccer player and can beat any of the traditional players. Please give him a chance. Caught on trail cam, hilarious bear encounters a mirror and mistakes its reflection for a formidable opponent. Watch the comical showdown as the bear bravely attacks its own reflection. Canine chiropractor shocks patient with a neck adjustment. Check out the dog's priceless expression. It's an adjustment session filled with possum reactions. Experience the dazzling charm of nature as 6 vibrant sun conures with stunning yellow plumage and fiery red-orange heads gracefully land on a hand. It's a burst of color and feathered friendship in just seconds. Take offshore fun to a whole new level. Play catch football off your boat with a playful beluga whale. Watch as the marine giant joins in the game, creating a seaworthy spectacle of sportsmanship and unexpected teamwork. A daring leopard's unexpected encounter with a feisty alligator takes an amusing turn. Meanwhile, a playful dog's antics with a groundhog lead to a hilarious lesson in boundaries. I am sure groundhog's bite is the worst. And witness elephants, nature's battlefield unfolds. Zebras kick up a storm, defending territory against warthogs in a hoof-stomping showdown. Meanwhile, an elephant faces a shocking encounter as a crocodile bites its trunk, showcasing the wild twists of life in the animal kingdom. It's a tale of territorial tussles. The herd rushes to aid their kin elephant. Meanwhile, warthogs show they mean business. This cat's going to learn to fly and die if he does not escape. It's a wild world of alliances and standoffs in the animal kingdom. While no jockey, this cat takes a shot at riding the wild beast. Watch the comical attempt as this daring cat tries its luck in the animal rodeo. A fearless goose takes on tigers, initially on the run. But wait for the unexpected twist as the goose flips the script, turning aggressive. Watch as the once predator tigers find themselves in an amusing sprint of their own. Witness the breathtaking spectacle of hundreds of dolphins porpoising along the California coast. It's a harmonious dance of nature, where these incredible creatures paint the ocean with their playful leaps. A captivating display of marine magic awaits. Here is a golden classic, airlifted pizza. Ever hear of a bird stealing an entire pizza?
This wolf eel couldn't leave the diver alone until it had enough attention. While most people would panic at the sight of a scorpion, this person nonchalantly holds mom scorpion in his hand, along with several dozen of her offspring. This alligator is not only skilled at catching food, but also... This gentle tarantula helped a man with his Billie Eilish impression. Where'd that come from? This polar bear came to a research station and almost let people pet it. Most importantly, without any consequences. And this shark voluntarily came up to a diver for a little stroke. And now, you see the most dangerous birds in the world. A cassowary can knock out a person with just one kick. Luckily, it was in a good mood. You looking for motivation to go to the gym? Watch this cat and go get your sportswear. This dog already walks upright. Next thing you know, the dog will be walking its owner, not the other way around. No, this beluga whale is not an avid vapor. Using the opening at the top of their heads, beluga whales learn to communicate by releasing rings of air underwater. This is what I look like coming home after a night of partying. Who's gonna scooch in back here for your bite? I bet out of all animals, you certainly wouldn't expect to come across a camel in the open sea. Have you ever seen a swimming camel? The cheetah is supposed to be the fastest land animal, but it looks like this horse activated the nitro. Is this the dog from the Terminator? What I wish I could do to get through a crowd. Some people travel with their cats and dogs, and this woman travels with a Himalayan brown bear. And the animal even knows how to fasten the seatbelt. This is what happens when you wander into a neighborhood where monkeys are in charge. A lion. And here is a fantastic courtship dance by Clark's Gribbs. Did you know that these birds can walk on water? If you want to know how caterpillars react to sound, here you go. E. 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 Shit, with vent like this, you don't need to have a job. Who knew that stingrays can be very friendly towards people? This leopard decided to attack a group of monkeys, but didn't expect that there would be so many. What's that? This bull was chasing a person around a tree. Thankfully, another person managed to distract the animal, and this story had a happy ending. And here's some incredible footage of an eagle hunting baby crocodiles guarded by their mother. This situation looks a lot like a drive-through, and the buffalo clearly cut in line. Mila 3G plays python. Many people have had their picture taken with a python in their arms, but this girl is holding a giant rainbow python that is heavier than she is. Thunder with Ranger Thrift. When kittens grew up, the habitats remain. This girl enjoys having spiders crawl all over her. I would have had a heart attack. I don't think you can park there.